Okay, hey everybody, today we're going to be restoring my headlight to 2009 Mazda 3i, and I bought the kit. I'll show you the kit after. But anyways, we're going to try to restore it, try to get all that mess off and make it look better as you see it right now, and you'll be able to see the after. So anyways, go ahead and tape off your car, because we will be using sandpaper and you don't want to get any of the paint. So once you tape your car off, you actually want to clean your headlight. Try to make sure there's nothing on there. So get you some soapy water or some headlight cleaner, whatever you prefer. And this would probably work better if you cleaned it before you taped it, but I didn't really want to tape it on video, so okay. So as you can see, that's what that looks like. So the kit I'm using, I ain't really for sure how to pronounce that name. Oleum. It's their headlight restoring kit, and it comes with this drill pad and some sandpapers. So this is going to be kind of a review to see if it works out well. So I'm going to go ahead and start. It might be a little bit loud. You start out with the 800 grit sandpaper. Okay, so yeah, let's just start. Let's add a little bit more water to it, which I forgot to tell you. So I already added water before. Get this corner piece real quick. Okay, that's starting to look good. Starting to look like it's working, so. Okay, like that. Now let's see what the next step is. Wipe that off. Okay. Go. You ain't gonna be able to see any progress really done to it yet until we start getting towards the end. Okay, so next, we're going to be using a 1500 grit sandpaper. And you're going to want to spray down your lens again. Spray down your pad. Hit it again. Close. in. Alright, now it just looks foggy. Okay. Okay, next is our 2000 grit. It's a little bit finer than the others. Watching my stick, my friend. Chair. Pretty old. Okay. Okay, so again, spray. And wipe it down. Sorry if this video is longer than my others. I'm trying to do this all in one take so you all can see I ain't doing any steps off camera. This side of it. Let's wipe it off. Okay. It did get rid of all that was like right there. So I am impressed with that. Let's see what the next step is. Okay, so the next step we're adding the polish compound. Just took that off. We're adding the polish compound. So hopefully this works out well. So that's the bottle they provide. So I'm going to start off slow to kind of mix it onto the pad and try to spread it out everywhere, and then I'm going to hit it full blast. Okay, let's get on this side. Make sure we get it everywhere. Okay. Does look a lot better than it was. Still a few more marks here. See if some soapy water will help any of that. See if I just get it off properly. Okay, that got off most of what was needed, actually. So I'm actually pretty proud of what it did. You just take your tape off, which will be really easy because you've been using a lot of water for this. Okay, yeah. So it works to an extent. I still do see some marks, and some marks where that was there. Maybe if I hit it again, it would probably take it off. But I'm happy with how it did turn out, because it did have a yellowish tint to it, which I know normal cleaner will take it off, normal headlight cleaner. But with the sandpaper, it's supposed to make it where it doesn't come back as much. And there's a really annoying dog barking. So I know it's supposed to make it where it don't come back as often, or won't come back for a while. It ain't a permanent fix. I've seen a bunch of videos say permanent fix, but I've also seen videos where people say it isn't permanent, it's just those people upload too soon. So it did fix it. The scratches you are seeing here, this car was hit before, sadly, in the front end. That's why the bumper's kind of messed up. But I think if I hit down here more, because I was too scared to get down here with that sandpaper that kept taking my tape off. So I think I just need to hit down here, because this feels smooth. It feels nice. Down here still needs some more work. So I think I'm probably going to hit it one more time. If you can take your headlight out, it would definitely help, because you ain't got to worry about hitting your paint. But you do not have to take your headlight out if you do not have that type of time, or you just don't have that patience. So I'm going to go hit my other one real quick. I hope this video helped you. I'm sorry it was so long. I just didn't want you all to think I did anything off camera to make this product work. And before I leave, this is not a paid, I'm not sponsored by them. This is not a paid video. This is just a review I did. I will leave in the description the kit I used. You can choose to buy it or not. Anything I used during this video, I will leave down in the description. And that's your choice whether or not you want to go buy it. As you can see, the results. I say if you hit it more than once, it'll probably work. But anyways, I will see you all next time.